In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Chime. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you can access your funds with ease. Let's get started by opening the Chime app on your mobile device. Once you've logged in, head over to the Move tab. You can find this tab at the bottom of your screen. It's your gateway to managing your money and accessing various transaction options. After you're in the Move tab, look for the option that says Transfer Money and tap on it. This is where you'll begin the process of moving your money from your Chime account to another account. On the transfer screen that appears, you'll need to enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered the correct amount, it's time to choose your Chime account as the From account. This step ensures the money is taken from the right source in your Chime app. Following that, you'll need to select the bank account or external account where you want the money to be sent. Make sure this is the correct account to avoid any delays or issues with your transfer. Now, it's crucial to take a moment to review all the details on the screen. Ensure that the withdrawal amount and the selected accounts are correct. This is your chance to catch any errors before the transfer is processed. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. In some cases, there may also be an option to schedule transfer if you wish the transaction to occur at a later date. After confirming, your money will be withdrawn from your Chime account and sent to the selected bank or external account. Typically, this process takes a few business days, so plan accordingly if you need the funds by a specific date. And there you have it. That's how to withdraw money from Chime. With these simple steps, you can easily transfer funds from your Chime account whenever you need to. Remember, if you have any questions or run into any issues, Chime's customer service is always available to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.